Good morning, and let me extend my personal welcome. I'm really excited everyone is here today. My name is Mark Eisenberger. I lead corporate engagement within the innovation group at the University of New Hampshire. And part of my role is to serve as a concierge to help organizations, companies access the varied parts of the university. It is obviously a large and complex university, and I can help, my group can help you navigate through that, as can others that you will speak to today. My topic will be different ways that companies and external organizations can engage with the university. But first, I'd like to give a little background on the university. We are an original land-grant university founded in 1866. We're about 17,000 student bodies strong over 3 campuses, the main one here in Durham, a second campus in Manchester, New Hampshire, and then finally the law school in Concord. We are justifiably proud of reaching an R1 status, which makes us a top-tier research institution. We have 140 million in annual research, going through the university. We are not just a land grant, but we're also a sea and space grant university as well, which means we have resources, activities across all those areas. So we have farms and greenhouses and agriculture. We have an underwater technology park. Our Center for Coastal and Ocean Mapping is a world leader for marine and sea activities. And you'll hear a lot about our space activities, and we're very proud to have been on satellites really since the 1960s. Finally, we're also very proud we set up a COVID testing lab. We have tested hundreds and hundreds of thousands of students and faculty, which has allowed us to stay open in a very safe manner. We are also testing for organizations outside. To the topic at hand, I'd like to talk about a few different ways that companies interact with the University of New Hampshire through research, service centers, facilities, and people and training. In terms of research, there's opportunities to be part of programs, either where UNH is prime. There are often set-asides and other requirements or specialized skills that we need from companies outside that are part of those grants, those federal contracts, if you will. UNH can also serve as a subcontractor or partner as part of a project. There's a number of internships and student projects. Most students, especially in this area, have to do a capstone project for their senior year. On the other side, we have a number of entrepreneurship programs. And I won't go delve into detail, but these are helping New Hampshire companies pursue government grants. There's an NIH accelerator and medical entrepreneurship program that companies can avail themselves of. Please, again, reach out to us. And you see my little note there on the side, make yourself known. There's a lot of opportunities today to network, so please do that. One of the most common ways for companies to interact with the universities through our centers. You'll hear from the University Instrumentation Center a little later on, where you can access equipment, a scanning electron microscope or a mass spectrometer, and you can do that really on an hourly basis. Again, you'll hear from the Olson Advanced Manufacturing Center, where a number of projects can be done to test out different manufacturing processes. Our interoperability lab is for technology companies to ensure that they communicate, and then a whole number of others that have skills and testing and capabilities and verification capabilities. Again, make yourself known. Please ask questions, and we will get you answers and introductions. We have a number of facilities that companies can access. We have a co-working space in Durham. We have leading edge conference rooms with all the microphones and cameras. Our Biotechnology Innovation Center, or BIC, in Manchester is a wet lab incubator for life science entities, either existing ones or startups that can be accessed. They have other capabilities for non-life science as well. And if you have any unique needs in terms of lab space or other space and equipment, please let us know, and we'll see what we can help you with. Last thing is people, training, and tools. We have an organization called CAPS, Career and Professional Success, who facilitate access to our student body, either for full-time hires or for interns. Clearly, we're a university. We have a number of degree programs, but we also have executive education programs. We have certificate programs, and we can design custom programs as well. One that always kind of gets me going is we have a certificate program for piloting drones, and among other things. Finally, we have a number of tools that are available for license, and two are listed here. First one around sustainability, and the other for hazardous material and chemical environmental management as well. So long story short, please make yourself known. We will help you get to the resources you need. My name is and contact information is up there. You will hear about a lot of exciting research. So I look forward to speaking with a number of you later on in some of the breakouts. Thank you.
Hi, I'd like to welcome you to the University of New Hampshire's Blue Economy Sandpit. I'm Diane Foster, Director of the School of Marine Science and Ocean Engineering, UNH's first interdisciplinary school. You'll find our faculty, staff, and students have passions and expertise that range from exploring depths of our ocean not previously seen, to answering pressing science questions of how ocean and coastal systems are changing, to seeking solutions for sustainably feeding our planet, generating energy, or protecting our coastal communities. Our faculty, staff, and students have research expertise that cover Arctic studies, ocean mapping and marine sensing, ocean renewable energy, sustainable seafood, aquaculture, and fisheries, coastal and estuarine resiliency, and engaged scholarship. As you may know, UNH's marine enterprise is ranked 12th in federal R&D spending and is the source of roughly 25% of our UNH research expenditures. Beyond the multitude of individual and small group research grants that you're going to learn more about, we have strong reputation for building partnerships with a range of federal agencies, such as NOAA through the Center for Coastal and Ocean Mapping, the Joint Hydrographic Center, the Coastal Response Research Center and Sea Grant, or NASA, but as the lead on a new coastal ecosystem observing satellite, Glimmer, or EPA with the home of the Piscataqua Region Estuaries Partnership, or more recently, the Department of Energy with a new Atlantic Marine Energy Center. You may be interested in learning more about our facilities or gateway to the Gulf of Maine. As the crow flies, we have facilities that start on our main campus in Durham, which includes our Jerry Chase Ocean Engineering Lab or the Olson Manufacturing Center, in addition to a number of other research labs, or our Jackson Estuarine Laboratory, which provides shore access to the Great Bay Estuary. Our Judd Gregg Marine Complex houses our pier, research vessels, and the Coastal Marine Lab. Farther offshore on the Shoals Isles is the home of the Shoals Marine Laboratory on Appledore Island, and it is a model for experiential learning and sustainability. Just south of the Shoals, our open ocean test site, sometimes called the Offshore Technology Park, is a 30-acre open ocean site just south of the Shoals in 52 meters of water. All of these facilities have opportunities for partnering with our industry, collaborators, or other partners through facility rentals, vessel or pier access, or conference meeting space. Our academic programs cover a range of disciplines, including oceanography and marine biology or ocean engineering. We also have a range of certificate programs, advanced training options, short courses, or micro-credentialing in ocean mapping, acoustics, coastal marine policy, with many more options to come. We think that the building and growing the workforce of tomorrow requires students that are innovative and interdisciplinary and consider how we engage with our external partners and what opportunities may lie towards the future. Today is an opportunity for us to build connections with existing or future industry partners. In this Sandpit, I think you'll find opportunities to talk with our faculty leaders about facility access, aquaculture systems engineering, permitting standards and environmental monitoring, composite materials and manufacturing, marine mammal or fish tracking, connection to the new Department of Energy Atlantic Marine Energy Center, graduate certificate programs, educational programming, or other outreach opportunities. You can learn more by visiting our website at marine.unh.edu or go to our Marine School YouTube channel and look at some of the videos that have been done on some of the great work our students, faculty, and staff have been doing. We also have opportunities for live streaming events if you visit our Shoals Marine Laboratory site. With that, I say welcome to UNH. And now it is my pleasure to introduce you to Paul Holthus, the founder and president of the World Ocean Council. Paul works with the private sector and market forces to develop practical solutions for achieving sustainable development and addressing environmental concerns, especially for our marine areas. Paul's expertise ranges from working with global industry associations or directors of UN agencies to working with fishermen in small island villages. He's been involved in coastal and marine resource sustainable development and conservation work in over 30 countries in Europe, Asia, Pacific, Central America, and Africa. As a consultant on sustainable development and environmental management, he has worked with companies, industry associations, UN agencies, internal NGOs, and foundations on sustainability, especially in the area of oil and gas, fisheries, aquaculture, and standards and certifications. With that, I say, please accept a warm welcome to Paul Holthus.